time to paint. I have to protect my arms from the paint. I'm going to hold up the button on a Q-tip. This is automotive quality paint. It's actually automotive touch. It's a really good product. The button goes on a Q-tip. I'm going to be shooting from a distance. Fortunately, it's warm enough to be nice to paint. Get upwind. That's it. Not very much. The gloves are done. Jacket's done. You always want to be careful to protect yourself from these nasty chemicals. Show you where it'll dry. Heated bathroom. It's there on a Q-tip. Center of the screen. It'll take about a day to dry. It's making a button. How you doing, Russ?